I don't know why I always park behind the Corvette. No idea why. And I always have to end up moving the car out the way. Alright. Let's get this thing out the way. Damn, steering wheel. Woo. Let's let this scoot up for a little bit. Oh, no, like weird squeaking noise. Turn all that off, I don't care. That's not accurate. I just put air in that like yesterday. Clear that too. I'm gonna need y'all's help today, I think. Actually, I know I'm gonna need y'all's help because, and this is why I like making YouTube videos, because whenever I post a driving video or any kind of video related to this car, somebody points out something wrong with it in a good way. Somebody said, I think there was 2 people that said I had bad wheel bearings, and that my car sounded like it had bad wheel bearings. Now, mind you, until they mentioned that, I had no idea what a wheel bearing was. I had to look it up because I'm not no mechanic and I'm learning as I go. But I think it's funny that people don't expect you to learn cars. Like, this is my first sports car, so I don't know anything about this car in particular or like the inner workings of a car. I just know like the stuff that I've had to deal with for this car. So I find it funny that people don't expect you to learn and they expect you to know everything once you have like a sports car. I don't really think that's how it works. You learn as you go, and that's what I'm doing. But somebody mentioned, 2 people mentioned that I had a bad wheel bearing. I don't necessarily know what that sound is. Like, I looked it up and like I could hear like, I guess like a grinding noise or like a clicking noise online. But mind you, like, I was driving on the highway, so I don't know, maybe if it's at a certain speed or what, but there's so many different noises in this car. Like, everything rattles. Like, I can hear engine noise, I can hear the exhaust, I can hear the intake noise, I can hear sometimes the damn belt squeaking. Is that me? I think that is me. What the heck? Oh, it's going away. Anyway, like, everything in here squeaks. Like, the door squeaks, the windows rattle a little bit, the targa top rattles, there's wind noise, like there's suspension noise, there's road noise. Like, there's so many noises in this car, especially in person. Like, in person, it's much louder, and like, it's just, everything's much more louder and like in your ears versus like on camera. So I have no idea how anybody could have heard that I could have had bad wheel bearings. I have not a clue. But that's something that we're gonna listen for today, because I need to take a listen. I need to take this car on a drive anyway. So after this light, I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas and see if I can hear anything. I know what sounds to look for, sort of. But dude, like, up until like last night, I was like, I have bad wheel bearings. I don't know. Shit beats me. I deal with the problems as they come, and like the issues that I know are going to arise in this car. So if I already know what to check, then I'm checking it and then fixing it. But some people are so mean, bro. Y'all are mean. Y'all are mean on YouTube, man. Y'all expect me to know everything. But of course, I can take the wheels off and just, check the wheel bearing myself. You can give it a little spin test and give it a little shake test. I mean, it's an old car. Those things are 20 years old. Everything on this car is about 20 years old, except the stuff that I already had replaced. So I can check it that way. But since I had to take the car out anyway, just a little cruise, little chill, little cruise. I just want to give it a listen. Because I have no idea. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I never said I was a mechanic. I never even said I was a car guy. Whatever that means, a car guy. I just like cars. I like my car. I like to work on my car sometimes. Not all the time, because it pisses me off. If it's something I can't do, I'm taking it to a mechanic shop, and so they're going to do it for me, because I don't want to have to do all that. I looked up the process of taking off wheel bearings, especially the front wheel bearings on this car. I don't want to do that. The rears look pretty easy, but the fronts look like a pain in the ass, and I don't want to do that. And I know people are going to have a problem with that. Y'all are going to be like, oh, he doesn't work on his blah, blah, blah. Bro, I never said I was a car builder. I don't be building cars like that. I'm not a mechanic. I work with software systems. All right, let's listen. I hear rattling, but it's coming from above me. I think it's the targa top, the plastic from the targa top. That's just exhaust and engine noises. There's the obvious road noise. There is me scraping. Everything that I'm hearing is plastic from the interior of the car. Now, if y'all hear something different, please let me know. I don't hear anything, bro. Look, I don't have a mechanic's ear. Unless it's something like super obvious, but I'm telling you, I don't hear anything. I don't know. I'm gonna post who said that. I'm gonna post you. You catching me off guard here now. You put me on the spot. I don't know. You had me worried. I'm like, my wheel bearings are going, what? What the helly? I don't know. I do have a squeak in the rear left though. That's a bushing problem. I do plan to fix that eventually. Dude, I don't hear anything. There's some rattling in the back, but it's like in the middle of the car, and I think that's like some of the tools I have back there, because I have like some loose tools back there. Everything else is just plastic. I'm telling you. Bro, I don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing, bro. I'm telling you, I don't hear nothing. I got perfect hearing, I think. My bad. I was a little too late, but I also noticed there's a light on in the glove box. I ain't never noticed that. But anyway, I'm driving and I kind of hear like, it sounds like a thumping noise, but it's like very faint, but it could just be like just tire noises going over bumps, or like the suspension going over bumps. I don't know if that's wheel bearing specifically, but I just need to take the wheels off and just inspect it that way. So I'm probably gonna lift the car up like tomorrow and then take a look then, but right now, like, I really don't hear anything. But anyway, I got some pretty cool photos of the whip, so I might go ahead and just show y'all those, and then I will catch y'all tomorrow when I check out my wheel bearings. All right, see y'all.